Welcome to Varun Beverages, a prominent name in the beverage industry, known for its association with PepsiCo in a wide range of refreshing products. This report is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. The writer is not a SEBI-registered advisor and holds no responsibility for any investment decisions or losses. Readers should do their own research or consult a financial advisor before trading. Varun Beverages Limited has been a key player in the beverage industry since the 1990s, holding one of the largest franchises of PepsiCo globally. The company produces and distributes a variety of drinks under PepsiCo's trademarks, including popular brands like Pepsi, 7-Up, Mirinda Orange, Mountain Dew, Tropicana juices, and many more. Varun Beverages holds the franchise for numerous PepsiCo brands, offering a diverse portfolio that includes carbonated soft drinks, non-carbonated drinks, and packaged water. Their own brands, such as Jive and Koo, complement the PepsiCo lineup, ensuring a wide selection for consumers. Varun Beverages operates across 10 countries with franchise rights and 4 countries with distribution rights. The Indian subcontinent contributed significantly to revenues, alongside contributions from African territories like Morocco, Zambia, and Zimbabwe. Varun Beverages boasts a strong distribution network with 36 manufacturing facilities and a vast supply chain. Their commercial production of carbonated soft drinks in Congo marks a significant expansion, with a notable sales volume growth of 28% during the quarter. The company has established backward integration facilities to enhance operational efficiencies and maintain high-quality standards. With stakes in Lunar Mage Technologies, Varun Beverages ensures a seamless production process for PET bottle caps and crown caps. Varun Beverages is committed to sustainability, recycling PET resin for packaging and engaging with GEM Enviromanagement for efficient waste management. Their strong relations with PepsiCo further solidify their market presence. Varun Beverages is expanding its manufacturing capabilities with new facilities in India and Morocco. These strategic moves aim to enhance production capacity and support backward integration, ensuring continued growth and market expansion. The acquisition of a 100% stake in Bevco marks Varun Beverages' expansion into South Africa, strengthening its franchise rights across the region. This move aligns with their strategy to broaden their international footprint. Varun Beverages Limited is a major player in the global beverage industry, with a strong partnership with PepsiCo. Their extensive distribution network spans across Africa and South Asia, ensuring a robust market presence and continued growth. For more information, refer to the company's official reports and resources. Please note that this presentation is for educational purposes only and does not constitute any form of recommendation. Conduct your own analysis before making any financial decisions.